Hindi ako makapaniwala na sa ganitong presyo, may mabibili kang ultralight rod na napakagaan, gawa sa carbon, naka-Fuji guides na, and naka-solid tip na. And this is the Caesar Riveria. Yes, this rod comes in different length. Itong binili natin is the 1.8 meters. And lahat ng rod, kahit anong length man yan, comes with a very beautiful sleeve. So, napakakapal niya, padded talaga. Ang gusto ko is, aside sa napakagaan niyang weight, since carbon siya, it is also very sensitive. Itong 1.8 meters, ang kanyang lure rating is basically 2 to 7 grams and ang line rating niya is 3 to 6 pounds. With the solid tip nakasama sa rod na to, magandang gamitin to para sa mga maliliit na soft plastic lure na pang-aging, pang-mebaring. Kung titingnan nyo yung kanyang reel seat, it's got a very beautiful carbon wrap and napakaganda ng kanyang pattern. It really complements yung design ng buong rod and even sa kanyang dulo, sa kanyang butt section, yung dulo niya merong branding and it also has a very beautiful carbon pattern with EVA foam. So napakagaan ng rod na to. I think ito yung pinakamagaan na ultralight rod na nahawakan ko. And very responsive yung kanyang tip. So aside from the spinning, it also comes in the bait casting variation. And with the Fuji guides sa rod na to, masasabi ko na this rod is a very good buy para sa kanyang presyo.